What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, you and I will be drawing Little Miss Sunshine. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw a large circle for the body. But we're going to leave a gap along the bottom. Let's start on the left side. We're going to go all the way around. Just slowly work our way up towards the top of that circle. Work our way around the right side. Coming down. And then pulling that in. Now on either side, we're going to draw the outside of the leg. Let's start by curving this in and then out towards the foot. Now I'm going to overlap the left foot on top of the right. So from here, curve the foot going up, come all the way around the middle, and pull that up. I'm just going to draw a little wavy line going across the heel and then up in the middle. Let's tuck the right foot in behind. So starting from the ankle, going up, come all the way around the bottom of the foot, and then tuck that in. Now let's move to the center of the body, move up and draw a circle for the nose. Going all the way around and then back up. Let's move up and draw two ovals on either side for the eyes. So we'll start with the one on the left. And we want to fill that eye in black. Let's move over and do the same thing on the right. Lining up the top and bottom. And we'll fill the inside of the eye. Let's go all the way up towards the top of the head in the center. We're going to draw the hair. We're going to come down towards the left, just up above the eye, and then bend that out. Let's go back to the center, do the same thing on the right. Coming down, and then out. Now we're going to add some texture inside the hair. Let's connect the center to the left side with a straight line. So we're going to go all the way up towards the top, come down towards the right side. Now along the top half, we're going to draw another line going across the middle. So we just want to bend this up, across, and then in. Let's do the same thing across the bottom half, going in the middle, and then bending that up. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Let's move down towards the bottom and pull the arms coming up and in. So let's start on the left side. We draw two angled lines, one across the top, move down, and one across the bottom. Let's line this up on the right. Going up and in, move down, and draw one more. Now each hand has 4 fingers. So let's start from the top. Just going to curl this around and then in. Add 2 in the middle, and then 1 across the bottom. Let's repeat that on the right side. And then from the hands, we're going to go all the way up just underneath the hair and add a curve for the cheeks. We're going to come down and then up, line that up on the right side. And then from the bottom of the cheeks, we're going to curve the mouth. We're going to come down, in behind the hands. Let's go to the inside from the thumbs, round this out, and go up. And then in between the nose and the cheeks, we're going to add some freckles. Just adding little dots going all the way around. Now let's move out to the side and add the braids. We're going to start with the first layer. From the end of the hair, we draw a half circle, going around and back in. Let's add another one. From the top, going around and then tucking that in behind. And then the third one, we're just going to raise this up a little bit higher. So starting from the top, we go up and then in. Let's add the bow across the top and bottom of that last circle. So we're going to start with a curve going up and out, step in, curve in, and it'll flatten off the top. I'm going to take that shape and flip it over across the bottom. Start with the outside, the inside. Now we want to round out the bottom. Let's do the same thing over on the right. Just curving the outside of the bow, and we'll flatten off the top, then across the bottom, and then we'll round this out. Now on the ends, there's 3 strands of hair. Let's start with the one in the middle. I'm just going to bend this out and up, flatten off the end, and then curve that back in. Let's add one more across the top and bottom, but we're going to bend these out. So bend this up, back in, and then the one on the bottom, we're just going to bend this out and then down. Let's repeat that over on the right side. Start with the middle one, and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's a cartoon illustration of Little Miss Sunshine. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and if you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.